So I'm going to say 78.9%. Okay, then I have what percent of students, so again, a percent, I'm setting up a proportion. Total students is 118, did not pick turkey. So everyone but the 20, so that's going to be 98. Okay, so I'm getting 83.05. So 0.05, I need to round up to that 1, so I'm going to get 83.1%. What percent of juniors and seniors? So again, I'm setting up a proportion. So juniors and seniors. So juniors and seniors, 19 plus 32. So that gives me a total of 51. Picked either green bean casserole or stuffing. Okay, so this gets a little bit trickier. So I'm in my juniors and senior column. So I'm here. And I need green bean casserole for either of them, which is 2. Or stuffing. Or stuffing, which is another 10. So I'm adding all 4 of these columns, which will give me 12. And again, I'm going to start cross multiplying and solving. Okay, I'm going to get 23.529, so 23.5%. All right, these are all percent, so I'm making sure I'm writing down that percent sign every single time. Now, these last two are going to sort of really show the reason of why I'm solving this every single time with a proportion. Okay, because if there are 772 freshmen at Westfield High School, approximately how many will prefer mac and cheese? This is no longer asking for percent. This is saying, I want to know freshmen at Westfield High School who picked mac and cheese out of the whole population. This is who I sampled. I want to know the entire population. So what I know is freshmen who prefer mac and cheese. Okay, so freshmen who prefer mac and cheese is 9 out of 29. This is my part out of my whole. I want to know what my part will be if there are 772 freshmen, right? So this is from the small size. This is from my table. This is from all of the freshmen at Westfield High School. I can now set this up and predict how many freshmen will prefer mac and cheese from the entire population. And I'm going to do the same thing by solving this like a proportion, just like I was doing before. And I'll solve by dividing. Now, this is obviously a little bit different because I'm talking about a number of students. I can't have 1/10 of a student, so I'm going to round this to 240 freshmen. Right? This says if approximately 9 out of 29 students prefer mac and cheese in the sample, then 240 out of 772 would prefer mac and cheese for the total. Last one is a similar idea. If there are 674 juniors at Westfield High School, approximately how many would prefer turkey or pumpkin pie? Okay, so we're doing juniors. Juniors is 19. There was 19 in the sample. Okay, so in the sample, how many preferred turkey or pumpkin pie? So juniors turkey 3, pumpkin pie 3, so that's going to be 6. And we want to figure out how many that is out of 674. So we'll say 19x. I'm going to divide that by 19. Now again, I need to round to the nearest student, so this is going to be 213 juniors.